What is the keto diet? Let's start with the basics. Well, let's first understand that keto, being in ketosis, just because it is one of the most searched terms on Dr. Google, doesn't make it a fad. It's a fact. Keto has been around since the dawn of humankind. Our ancestors were in ketosis for millions of years. So the term ketogenesis, keto meaning ketone body, the liver produces it, and genesis meaning birth, the birth of a ketone body. Ketogenesis. It essentially means you have burned through your sugar reserves in your muscle and liver, and now your body needs another fuel source, so your liver produces ketones to fuel the brain. And then your body is breaking down fat in the form of triglycerides to fuel the body. So we have this amazing supply of fat. Burning sugar, burning fat. Burning sugar is a limited capacity. Burning fat, so much more storage. And I'm going to explain more in this academy on the difference between the two. Here's how it works. When we eat food, specifically carbohydrates and protein, we spike insulin, we spike glucose, we store body fat. When we eat fat, we don't really spike glucose and insulin, and we don't really store body fat. So we eat the fat, and then we burn the fat. That's a brilliant process, very straightforward, isn't it? Now, through science, we know, and research is coming out every single month, that ketones reduce inflammation. It fuels your brain 3 times more efficiently than glucose. It makes you feel damn good. Ketones are where it's at, and you are going to become, if you're not already, a ketone-producing beast.